Hello friends, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss the another topic in generation of project ideas. In the previous class we discussed about the SWOT analysis. In this class we are going to discuss about the monitoring the environment. What is the meaning of monitoring the environment is here we are discussing about the monitoring the business environment. In business environment, the first thing that we should know about is the economic sector. The Indian economic sector is being divided into three parts. The first sector is the primary sector, and the second one is the secondary sector, and the next one is tertiary sector. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is primary sector. In the primary sector is let us take an example, the agriculture and the forestry and the mining. So these are the businesses where we are going to use the natural available resources. So that we are going to call as what? Primary sector. Next one is secondary sector, where there is a manufacturing sector, manufacturing industries, where the raw materials from the primary sectors are used to convert that one as a final product. So that one you are going to call as what? Secondary sector. The tertiary sector is the service sector or service industries. It may be hotels or it may be IT industries, banking industries and telecommunication industries. So these are the service sectors. In India, the total economy from the primary sector is 17% of the total Indian economy. The total employment or the working population involved is 60%. In the secondary sector, the 20% of the economy is coming from the secondary sector and the employment is about the 20%. In the tertiary sector, the economy that we are getting from the tertiary sector is 63%, but the employment is only 20%. So this is a major issue. In India, the economy is increasing day by day, whereas the employment is not increasing at the same rate because the tertiary sector is improving a lot over the other two sectors. Hence, for any country to be in a strong economic and employment sector, the secondary sector, that is the manufacturing sectors, has to be improved. Now, let us discuss about the government sector. In the business environment, the second one is the government sector. In government sector, we should know what are the industrial policies, next what is the taxation system, and what are the subsidies that we are getting from the particular business, and what are the imports and exports of a country, and also we should study about the loans available to the bank. The next one is technological sector. It's very much important. If you want to start any business, we suppose start with the new current technology, because if we start with the new current technology, so we can be there in the business at least for 10 to 15 years. So that's why always we need to start with the current technology. Next one is socio-demographic sector. In this, we have to study about trends. What are the different trends in the market? So in this current pandemic, all are going to the online education. That is the current trend. So that's why we need to analyze the trend in the market. Next one, we need to study about the age shifts in the population. That means in the particular geographical area where you are planning to start a business, you need to study how many of them are from below the 18 years, above 18 years, above 40 years and above 60 years. So this will be helpful for us to identify our customers. Next one is income distribution. What are the income that this population is getting? Okay, that also we need to study. Next one is educational qualification. what are the educational qualification in the particular region. So this is what we're going to call as study of socio-demographic sector. Next one is competition sector. As we all know, if you want to enter to any business, there will be always competition. So how will be different from other competitors? So that is what we are going to study in the competition sector. And how we are going to create an entry barrier, how we are going to make your place in the market. So that what we are going to study the competition sector. Next one is supplier sector. So if you want to start or run a factory, so you should know where you're going to get the raw materials for your business. Not only that one, you need a continuous power supply for any manufacturing. So this is what we have to study in the supply sector. So let us summarize of this class. So in the business environment, we have to study the economic sector, government sector, technological sector, socio-demographic sector, competition sector, and also the supplier sector. Okay, thank you. Namaste.